Mastering the phrase, switch things around. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into an interesting and widely used phrase, switch things around. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your fluency, understanding these common phrases can make a huge difference in how you communicate. So, let's explore what it means to switch things around and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. The phrase, switch things around, generally means to change the order, position, or direction of things. It can be used in various contexts, from physical objects to abstract concepts like plans or ideas. The essence of the phrase is about introducing a change or variation to the current state of things to achieve a desired outcome or to simply refresh the situation. Let's see how this phrase comes to life in everyday scenarios. 1. Rearranging furniture. We decided to switch things around in the living room to make it feel more spacious. 2. Changing schedules. To accommodate the new project, we need to switch things around in our weekly schedule. 3. Altering plans. The weather wasn't great for a beach day, so we switched things around and went to the museum instead. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, capable of being used in various situations where change is involved. To use the phrase correctly, keep these tips in mind. It often implies a flexible and adaptive approach. It can be used both in formal and informal settings, though the context might determine its appropriateness. Pair it with specific details about what is being switched around for clarity. Try creating your own sentences with switch things around. Here's a simple exercise. Think about your typical day and identify one thing you could switch around to make it better or more interesting. For example, tomorrow, I'll switch things around by taking a new route to work. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, switch things around. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a new language is all about practice and exposure, so don't hesitate to switch things around in your learning methods too. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.